but I'm playing the two treble strings, and I'm sliding up, and then B, A, G, D. Then it goes to the bass. Just riding that, playing the open E and the B to C sharp, D, and I'm bending that A on the D string. And that's the riff for the intro. And then it goes right into the song. Long distance information, give me Memphis, Tennessee. It's an E, so that's a B7. We play it there. We can play it. Help me find the party and try to get in touch with me. She could not leave a number, but I know who place to call, 'cause my uncle took the message and he wrote it on the wall. There's that riff. Then the next verse, oh help me, information, get in touch with my Marie. She's the only one who'll be calling me here from Memphis, Tennessee. Though the home is on the south side, high up on a ridge, just a half a mile from the Mississippi Bridge. Okay, here's the riff. And that's just the A6 to the bass. More slides. From the 5th fret to the 7th. Play it, I think he plays it 4 times. And then slides up to the 12th fret. Then back down to 5. It's way easier than it looks. The hardest part is just